Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your SIM or eSIM is active and your plan supports data. This avoids wasted steps later. Open Settings, tap Cellular, and flip cellular data on so your phone can use mobile networks. Once done, make sure Cellular Data Options is visible. Here you choose voice and data preferences and enable data roaming if you'll use networks abroad. You're doing this now so the phone can connect automatically when Wi-Fi is unavailable, saving time in the next steps. Once Cellular is enabled, pick the right network type, 5G or LTE, under voice and data so you get the best speed versus battery trade-off for your plan. Next, go to the list of apps in Settings Cellular and toggle data access per app. This prevents background hogging and helps you control monthly usage. Make sure to enable low data mode when you want to reduce background tasks, automatic updates, and streaming quality, which protects your data allowance without constant manual intervention. To finish, verify cellular icons appear in the status bar and run a quick web or map load. That confirms connectivity. If you don't see service, restart the iPhone and, if necessary, remove and reinsert the SIM or reinstall the eSIM profile to refresh network registration. Make sure to test again before deeper steps. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, reset network settings only as a last resort because it clears saved Wi-Fi and VPNs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.